Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today's topic is how to lose weight without following any kind of exercise. Is this possible? This question could be your first thing that hit your mind, right? So let's see, is this possible to lose weight without following any kind of exercise? First, let's understand the situations that people find hard to get any kind of exercise, or there are some limitations to their body. Even as we know that we are doing exercise or we are doing anything that should be possible in evening or early in the morning. Timings are something that is very hard to manage when it comes to doing exercise. So in morning, some people have to leave early for the job, or some may work there during night. So this could be a biggest challenge for them to lose their weight. So is there any chance to lose weight without following exercise? So absolutely yes. So I'm going to share some tips, or you can say some suggestions that you can follow, and that will definitely help you to reduce your weight. And just watch this video full, and just make sure that you are watch this video full, and let's start. So first thing that you have to follow is chewing food thoroughly and slowly. What happens whenever we eat something fast, then we consume it more. So here you have to avoid the intake of food in excessive amount. So you have to chew the food. Suppose you are chewing the food before this video like 15 times, so you have to increase your times like 25 or 30 times. So there are so many benefits that you will going to receive. Like you can break down the food in a very proper manner, your digestion will improve, and your metabolism get balanced. So here you have to take care of the things that whatever you are eating, suppose if you are doing your lunch or breakfast, so make sure you are chewing slowly and not in hurry. Second thing that you can include in your diet is protein. Yes, if you are consuming protein enough, or more than enough, then it will keep your stomach full. So if you are a non-vegetarian, you have a lot of options like chicken, fish, and if you are a vegetarian, then you can go for some kind of almonds and some kind of peanuts. So that will help you to keep your stomach full. And at that time, whenever you are like, suppose you are having your brunch or having your evening snacks, so make sure you are consuming this, so that it will keep your stomach full, as well as it contains a lot of vital nutrients that will definitely help your body growth, and will make you strong enough. Third and the most important part is avoid unhealthy foods. Like, so I'm considering this unhealthy food in my third point, just because of the reason these foods that are very easy to consume, that are very easy to available, and you can order it whenever you want to. So you have to prepare yourself mentally that yes, I have to lose weight, and that without any exercises. So you have to spend time whenever you crave for suppose you have a lot of cravings for pizza, so you can just at that time make sure that you are not killing your craving. You can go for the small portion, and if you, when you are getting more stronger mentally, then you can completely remove it from your diet, because it contains so many unhealthy fats, and definitely will increase your weight. And unhealthy fats that will definitely not good for your heart health. In this part, you have to be very careful about the things that contains unhealthy fat, like junk food, momos, and even if you are living in Delhi, you can see how momos are like a trend in Delhi. So you have to avoid those foods, as they are very deeply fried and contain very unhealthy fats. That will definitely help you. Avoiding them will help you to lose your weight quickly, and you can even feel better whenever it comes to digestions, and you will feel more energetic whenever you like doing work or something else. So make sure you are avoiding these kind of foods. Fourth point, that is very small but yet have a very effective thing that can help you during your weight loss process. So that is increase the fiber. Yes, you heard that right. Increasing fiber intake can help you to reduce your weight, as well as you can easily get those fiber rich foods and salads. We can consume mostly in form of salads, so you can easily purchase it at very affordable prices from the market. So you can have them whenever you want, like with your evening snacks, or you can have them during your lunch also. The reason behind taking fiber rich foods is that they, whenever they come contact with the water, they form a gel that slow down the process of digestions and let the stomach to absorb our nutrients from the food in a very effective manner. So it's when the process is slow down, then you feel fuller for a longer period. So that what you have to do is just include fiber rich veggies in your diet. Now I'm going to telling you the last point, that is drink enough water. Yes, you heard that right. Most of the time people overlook the importance of water, though they aware of how water is important in our body, right? Even a 60% of our body is contained of water. So we have to be careful when it comes to drinking water. We should not go for a what you can say is rehydration, or not for a dehydration. So try to grab at least 8 to 12 glass of water every day. It is not a very big task. You can have them in early morning, you can have them after your breakfast, lunch, and during your evenings, and before you sleep. So that will definitely help you to hydrate and maintain the energy level. And whenever you wake up early morning, so you will feel more energetic and your digestions will be conduct in a proper manner. So make sure you are drinking the enough water. This is all for this video, and hope it will the information that I provided will definitely help you. And if you have any kind of doubts or query, you can drop me on the comments box, or you can message me on my Instagram. I will definitely reply them. Or if you are a Quora user, you can message me on Quora. And that's it. And make sure you are providing suggestion for my next video too, so that I can make a video on that particular topic. Thank you.